Welcome back to Cyber Learning, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we'll show you how to airdrop on iPhone. Step 1. Access Control Center. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen to open Control Center. Step 2. Enable AirDrop. Press and hold the Network Settings card in the top left corner of Control Center to open the expanded Settings panel. Step 3. Select AirDrop option. Tap on the AirDrop icon to open the AirDrop menu. Step 4. Choose Visibility. Select the desired visibility option, Receiving Off to disable AirDrop, Contacts Only to allow only your contacts to see your device, or Everyone to allow all nearby devices to see your device. Step 5. Use AirDrop. To share content via AirDrop, open the app or file you want to share, tap the share icon, and choose the recipient from the AirDrop section. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials and tips on cyber learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content.